When your lower back feels tight often or occasionally, you must listen to your body and take steps to reduce tension. A tight lower back can aggravate and lead to more severe problems. It can also impact your daily movements. Here are 9 stretches that you can add to your daily routine and lose your lower back tension. Stay tuned to Pars Health TV. Sedentary life is one of the most common causes of lower back pain. Sitting at your desk all day can cause lower back pain, shoulder tightness, neck pain, and other ergonomic issues. Performing daily stretches can help ease your muscles and enhance your flexibility, making your body more resilient and better able to manage a full day at your desk. Number 9. Knee to chest. Do this stretch to align the pelvis and stretch the lower back and rear end muscles. Lie flat on your back with your toes pointed to the ceiling. Gradually flex your left knee and pull your leg up to your chest. Then you should wrap your arms around your thigh, knee, or shin and slowly pull the knee towards the chest. Keep for 30 seconds and slowly raise the leg to the starting position. Repeat each leg 3 times. Number 8. Lying knee twist. Perform this motion to stretch the paraspinal muscles and strengthen the core muscles. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight out. Flex the right knee up and cross it over the left side of your body. Keep in a position that lets you feel a gentle stretch through the back and buttocks muscles for 30 seconds. Tighten your abdominal muscles and turn back to the center. Repeat the stretch 3 times on both sides. Number 7. Yoga cat or cow. Initiate this more by kneeling on all fours with your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees directly below your hips. Exhale and slowly arch your spine. Inhale, tighten your abdominal muscles, and round your back like a cat. Move gently between motions and hold each position for 10 seconds. Repeat it 10 times. Number 6. Piriformis seated stretch. This stretch is created to help extend the piriformis muscle over time. This muscle is usually the source of sciatica or radiating leg pain. Sitting with a straight back, cross your right leg over your left leg, place your foot next to your thigh and fold your left leg in towards your buttocks. Put your left arm on your leg as pictured, and slowly relax into a stretch. Be sure to hold your back straight and your chest lifted. Keep for 30 seconds and alternative sides at least 3 times. Number 5. Cobra stretch. This stretch is beneficial to stretch tight core muscles and the lower back. Begin by lying on your stomach with your legs extended and palms planted on both sides of your head with your forearms and elbows flat on the floor. Gradually push your body upwards, so your weight is on your forearms. Be sure to hold your hips on the floor. Once you reach a relaxed position that gently stretches your core muscles and lower back, maintain it for 15 seconds. Gently return to starting position and repeat 4 times. If you think that you have more flexibility in your lower back, you can try straightening your arms. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 4 on our list. Number 4. Restful pose. A regular pose in yoga, the restful child's pose, can aid you in relaxing your body. Place yourself on the floor on hands and knees with your knees wider than your buttocks distance apart. Bend your toes to touch and push your hips backward, turning your knees. Once you reach a relaxed seated position, stretch your arms forward fully and let your head fall forward into a comfortable position. Keep this pose for 30 seconds and gradually return to starting position. Repeat 4 times. For modification, if you have shoulder pain, put your arms on both sides of your body, extending towards your feet. Number 3. Reclining single leg stretch. This stretch loosens the lower back and stretches the hamstrings muscles. It also allows for aligning the spine. To do it, you should lie on your back with both legs stretched. Raise your left leg up, so it's as straight as possible, holding a slight arch in the knee. You can flex your right knee and press into your foot for more support. Interlace your fingers to keep your leg behind your thigh, or utilize a strap or towel around the top of your foot. Keep this stretch for at least 30 seconds. Repeat on the right side. Do 2 to 3 times on both sides. Number 2. Legs up the wall. This yoga pose lets you loosen your lower back and pelvis tension. It delivers an excellent stretch for your hamstrings and aids relieve stress and anxiety. To make this motion, come into a seated position with the left side of your body against a wall. Lie onto your back and hang your legs up along the wall. You can put a cushion under your hips or push your hips a few inches from the wall. Put your arms in any comfortable position. Focus on comforting the lower back and releasing tension. Stay in this posture for up to 120 seconds. Number 1. Corpse pose. Finish your stretching routine with a few minutes of relaxation before going about your day. This provides your muscles a chance to completely relax. Focus on releasing any remaining pressure and tightness in the back and the body. Lie on your back with your arms next to the body and the palms facing up. Bring your feet wider than your hips and let your toes splay to the side. Breathe deeply and let your body soften. Stay in this position for up to 5 minutes. You can incorporate one or more extra treatments into your daily exercise routine. You can utilize heat or ice therapy on your own daily. Consider going for a therapeutic massage or practicing self-massage at home with a foam roller. You may also choose alternative treatments like acupuncture, chiropractic, or rolfing. You can also consider physical therapy if lower back tightness has lasted for more than 2 weeks. Try a few methods and see what brings you the best results. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel. Are you looking for more amazing health-related videos? Don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen.